students, how are you? Today we will take a new lesson. It's talking about what do animals need to grow. Animals need many things to grow because animals are living organisms. Living organisms. What's the meaning of living organisms? Uh, that means they can move, they can drink, they can eat, um, they can have babies, and they need air, water, place, and need food to grow. So, animals have babies, animals can move, and animals need air, and animals need water to drink and need place to live, and animals need food to grow. Look with me. Some animals eat plants like giraffe, sheep, cow, horse, donkey. Giraffe, sheep, cow, horse, donkey eat food. Which food? Plants. Eat plants. Eat plants only. Sheep eats meat? No. Sheep eats plants. Cow eats meat? No. Cow eats plants. Donkey eats plants. Horse eats plants. Okay? So, look with me. Some animals eat plants like giraffe, sheep, cow, horse, donkey. Okay, what else? And some animals eat other animals. Some animals eat meat. Eat meat. Like lion. Look at this picture. Lion eats meat. Like fox. Fox is animal, and fox eat other animals. Okay, what else? Bear eat fish, eat meat. Tiger eat meat, eat other animal. Cat, snake. Okay, so there are animals eat plants, and there are animals eat meat. Okay, look with me at this video. Look. Cow eats plants. Goat eats plants. Horse, giraffe. All these animals eat plants. Animals eat meat. Lions eat other animals like this. Animal eat other animals. Eagle. Okay. So uh, we have finished our lesson today. Stay safe, and I will see you at the next session. Goodbye.